Welcome to Willoway Farm, location of our Collaborative Connections with Horses workshop. How would you describe the working relationships on your team? What about your leadership, organizational values, and workplace culture? The Collaborative Connections Team Building and Leadership Development Workshop builds stronger, more connected teams and the workplace culture you need to reach your full potential. Our mission is to support your personal growth, self-leadership, and the performance of your team. We do this by providing facilitated learning activities with the horses on the ground, mindfulness and contemplation exercises, and values-based conversations on the kind of workplace culture you'd like to collaborate in. Horses are masters in herd behavior and nonverbal communication. Workshop participants are often surprised and very pleased by how much they receive from the precious time spent with these sensitive, majestic animals. Join us at Willoway Farm, just 30 minutes from Ottawa. Come and enjoy this fresh air, rejuvenating experience in a beautiful, natural setting.